It's your Christmas tree looking. You can open it though.
It's for me.
I know it's for you.
It's for you because your mommy and daddy love you. There you go.
What was that noise?
Guitar.
What is it? What is it, Daddy? Look at Daddy. Ellie,
Tell daddy what it is.
look at me, sweetie.
Look at daddy and tell him what it is.
What is it?
He doesn't know what it is. It's your very own guitar.
Is that cool? Oh, you look at
Mommy
mine.
does for this. When you play it. Here, hold it like this.
Hold it like Mommy does.
And then hold it like right there, and then play it with this hand. Cool. Actually, that's wrong. Play it like this. Here you go. That's yours, so you can learn to play the guitar like Mommy.
Do you like it, Ellen? Ellie.
It's a guitar. What's your guitar?
Say bye-bye, Ellie.
Bye-bye.
Love you. Say Merry Christmas.